Guys, what's up? This is Nyas Ravanshi. I am from Binary Masala. In the last video tutorial, I have told you something about various tools which we're going to use for web scraping, like Anaconda Framework, Spider, and Apathy Notebook. In this video tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape the data in the real time. I'm going to scrape the data from a famous e-commerce website called as ShopClues. So let's bump into it. This is the ShopClues website, and this is the product, say Samsung Galaxy on 7 Gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrap this particular thing, the price tag, and then I have some reviews over here. So Best Mobile, all these things, all these reviews I'm going to scrap and I'm going to show you. So the very basic thing is that first of all you need to know where exactly this things are present in an HTML tag. So for example, this is the price tag, so you just right click on it and just do inspect element. When you do this inspect element, you can see the price. So actually this is a div tag, and inside a div tag there is this class called as price, and actual data is stored over here. So we want this data, rupees 10699. So this is about the price. Also we'd like to see about the reviews. So same as that, just right click on any of the review and do inspect. So you can see the reviews are present in the div tag, and the class name is box product review details. So I'm going to need this thing over there. All right, to scrape the data. So yeah, that was about the introduction. Now let's do some real-time hands-on experience. In the last tutorial I have told you like we need two libraries. So first library is request and the other library is beautiful soup. So I'm going to use both of those libraries. So first of all, import qst requests. Beautiful soup. These are some of the two libraries. The request library, basically I'm using it because I want to get this particular URL and I want to ping this page over here. So for this purpose I am using this request library, and then the beautiful soup library I am using because I want to get that particular data from the tags. So further review, this is one of the uh, array in which I'm going to store my reviews. So it's an empty array for now, and I'll also take a price variable which I'm initializing it to 0. So and I'm going to store the price in this thing. So L is equal to, this is the syntax for getting the input from the user. So what I'm going to get is I'm going to ask user to enter some of the URLs over here. So please enter the URL, and I'm going to store this URL into this particular variable. Yep. So I'm getting this, and then what you have to do is request dot get. So this method basically, it takes a URL and then it pings that particular web server or that particular URL. So with this line, what we're doing is we are going on this web page. Then what we're going to do is soup. This is again one more variable to beautiful soup. Beautiful soup is a very nice library, and it makes our task of extracting data very easy. So in this beautiful soup, what I'm going to pass is r.contents. So whatever the contents which we get from this web page, all each and every tags, each and every data, and we're going to pass it to this variable called as soup through this library, beautiful soup. All right. So after this, what we have to do is we need the data from this particular tag of price, say price. So just again checking if it's the same tag. Yeah, so the tag is a div tag and the class is price. So let's write a for loop for this. Find all, and this is the area where we have to specify from which exact tags or from which exact location we want the data. So we want the data from this div tag, and in this div tag there is this class. So the name for this div tag is price. So we want the data from this thing. Okay, so what we'll do is from then we'll write div comma then curly braces. So this is the syntax for specifying what exactly we want, and then the name of the class is price, price. Yep, so that's all I guess. Yeah. What is this error? Yeah, the error is gone. So, and then what we want is in our price variable, we want price is equal to link dot text, and then I'm going to print this thing. Price. All right. So let's see if our code works or not for this particular script. I'm going to play this thing from here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL from here, and I'll just close this thing, and I'm going to paste it over here. This is my console over here, so you can code over here and then you can see the output over here. So this is really cool stuff provided by Spider. Enter. And okay, there's some error. No attribute contents. So I guess it's not gonna, it's content. Let's try it again. Okay, so you can see as you can see, the deal price is 10699. So it has scraped successfully, and the price is same over here. So this was for the price. It's very easy. You just have to use two libraries, request and beautiful soup, and then using that URL you can easily get the price. What I want is I also want the reviews from this. So I'll write, it's very simple after here, for soup dot find all. What find all does is an entire whatever the whole web page it has scraped from that particular thing, it will find only what we are specifying. So find all, then again let's check if it's in which of the tags. So best mobile, I'll inspect element, and so this is the tag. It's a very big tag. I'll just copy it from here, and inside div there is a class. So again same thing, div comma curly braces for class. Then what I have is box product review details review text. So it will take that particular thing, and again what I'll do, I have this array over here. So in this array I'll just append it. So review dot append link dot text. So whatever text is there, I'll append it, and then again after this thing I want to read it. So I'll again write a for loop for an in rep print n. Let's see if our code works. So I'll again run it, and then we have the same URL over there, which we had. No, this is not the URL, right? The URL is over here. So we'll copy the URL from here and just paste it over here and enter. Let's see if it works. Yeah, fine. So this is the price which we wanted to scrap. This is the uh, reviews we wanted to scrap over here, and this is something which it is scraping. So this is just see what it is. So was this review helpful? So it is with each and everything, it is also scraping this particular text over here. So if you want to get rid of this text, you can use regular expressions. So for example, say import regular expression, and then I will just out one is equal to I'll just show you for this particular thing. For if you want to remove this thing, and we just want a figure, so how we can do it with the help of regular expression. So this particular you have to copy this particular text over here, and I'm going to store it in one of the variable. So okay, and at this point over here, when I'm getting the price, what I'll do is I'll use some regular expression stuff. So I'll do is price is equal to dot sub. I dot sub will subtract a text, whatever text we want. So it takes three arguments basically. So the first argument is what we want to subtract. So we want to subtract this thing, the out one. This is our what you call the variable. It should not be in double. It should not be in quotes, I guess. Yeah, and then just do like this and then dot text, the text which we are getting. So yeah, let's see if it works. So after this, let's play again. And, oh, I'm doing this mistake every time. Gods must be crazy. So yeah, and as you can see now that that this deal price which was earlier over there, it is gone. So in this way you can do the same thing for the review text also, and you can clean. These are some of the cleaning techniques, natural language processing techniques, which you can learn by your own. But our major agenda is to scrape the data, so we are successful in scraping the price from ShopClues website and again some of the reviews. So this was all about the web scraping from a particular website called as ShopClues. In this tutorial, we have seen how we can use two libraries from Python, request and beautiful soup. So do comment on the below section if you have any doubts. I'll get to you as soon as possible if time permits, and also do subscribe our YouTube channel.